bad. This is the best idea I've ever had. The massage is done. It was okay. There is a famous person here.
Oh my God!
And look at that, he's changing. You see? He's changing his pants. Who is he here with? I need to go downstairs. Be right back. I don't know how to handle a famous person, especially him. He's like really famous. Peppers are so spicy. So much of the lobster left. Okay, hold on. Day 2. A different building. I think a nicer building. No, they're equally nice in different ways. But I'm on a higher floor. Here's the bathroom. I think I like this room better. I'm so exhausted. I think I'm gonna call a cab. It looks nice.
What made you want to come to this
I
area?
had to go to the Dia Beacon for a long time.
Okay.
So now I feel very relaxed. And look at all of these cute shops. I am such, you know, I was once upon a time scared or not so comfortable traveling alone, but I love it. I do. But anyways, we are headed to the Dia Beacon. So I don't really get this piece, though there's a lot of the same type of material going on, like that. I don't know. Contemporary art. This room is so bright. Dimension? Paper? What's that? That. Wow. It's so white. Only cameras? Like registering? Yeah, like phone camera stuff? Yeah. Okay. Well, the main point to everything I saw today at this museum has to do with discomfort and scale and space. I mean, of course, there are other things like composition, colors, what it makes you feel like, blah, 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 but I did the whole walk in about 40 minutes. I'm so hungry. Oh my god, I better not slip. Oh, where is this taking me? Time for supper. Where should we go? Closed. Also closed. To eat. I need some real food in my life. I should have brought my computer here. Maybe tomorrow? Bit of everything. So this is a vegetarian place. There's no meat in here. And I didn't add any like fake meat or anything like that. To be honest, I don't know exactly what is in here, but it looks delicious. It's seasoned so perfectly. This is so delicious. There's a fucking spider in here. Are you gonna kill it? You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it? Thank you. That makes me wonder, yet another spider? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
I don't know if it was worth 14, 15 bucks, but that's cute, guys.
I think it's just healthy. Why the hell is this 15 bucks? I need some food.
The staircase is even beautiful here.
I'm going to pick up the food. We have about 1 more hour of work to get done. And then I'm gonna transfer some files. I love Beacon. They're doing this quarantined in Beacon series, where I guess each owner puts a picture of themselves and what they're doing during the quarantine. I feel like this is a very neighborly town. Spring rolls and pad thai. I'm not sure how good this will be because I feel like this is Thai food made by people who aren't Thai, but this looks pretty damn good. Let's try a spring roll. Still warm. Delicious. The thing about spring rolls is it can either be delicious or taste like it's way too oily. And this is not too oily. I can only eat a little bit at a time, or else I get really, really, really full. So I don't know how people do mukbangs and stuff. Clearly. I'm gonna rub this lime all over. Oh my god, why is it so hard to open? I'm gonna get arthritis. It's like, you know, the healthy too, those are the hardest to open. They get me so angry. It's kind of underwhelming when I'm just so used to either something carbonated or more flavorful than water when it's coming from a glass bottle, but I need to be quenched. reputation. Really good. If you are in Beacon and you're looking for Thai food, I recommend this place. I was washing my face, didn't really think about it much, and I ruined my $15 papers. At least I used one, but what a sad mistake. Whatever. Also, this came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves.
Is it